Assuming you're searching for Axie endlessness cost expectations estimate for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to by and large know where the costs of Axie vastness Axie will go from here on out. In opposition to mainstream thinking, we will dissect the very past costs of Axie limitlessness Axie and will figure out what specialists by and large are talking about its future cost activities, or so they for the most part thought. Kindly remember that you want to generally take this expectation and each and every forecast with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Not to essentially make reference to foreseeing something so amazing is totally unimaginable, or so they thought. In any case, we will attempt our very awesome. How about we explicitly start? Axie endlessness pretty past value examination as per without a doubt the most recent information assembled. The ongoing cost of Axie boundlessness is 759 and Axie certainly is as of now positioned #78 in the exceptionally whole crypto-biological system in an extremely significant manner. The core supply of Axie boundlessness is 143,416,173 with a market cap of $188, 699,588 in a by and large significant manner. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Axie boundlessness cost has shown a decent increment of 569% as of now, or so they thought. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Axie was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 784%, which basically is very critical. Axie vastness has shown areas of strength for exceptionally recently, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute. Axie vastness value forecast 2024 the cost of one Axie endlessness explicitly is supposed to reach at the very least degree of $875 in 2024. The Axie cost can, in every way that really matters, arrive at a greatest degree of 10.71 with a typical cost of $9.10 all through 2024. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2025 according to the estimate and specialized examination. In 2025, the cost of Axie endlessness basically is supposed to especially reach at any rate value worth of $13.16. The Axie cost can arrive at an especially greatest value worth of $15.38 with the in every practical sense, normal worth of $13.61 in a significant way. Axie's value figure for 2026 as per our profound specialized examination on kind of past value information of Axies. In 2026, the cost of Axie limitlessness is especially anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least degree of $9.13. The Axie cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $20.13 with a typical exchanging cost of $9.77. Axie vastness. Axie's value expectation 2027 the cost of Axie endlessness explicitly is truly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $27.12 in 2027. The Axie limitlessness cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $32.68 with the typical cost of $27.91 all through 2027. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2028 the cost of Axie endlessness especially is anticipated to in a real sense reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $38.65 in 2028, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The Axie endlessness cost could essentially arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $46.28 with the truly normal exchanging cost of $39.77 all through 2028. Axie vastness value expectation 2029 Axie boundlessness value sort of is gauged to arrive at least for the most part conceivable degree of $54.14 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could arrive at a kind of greatest truly conceivable degree of $67.48 with a typical figure cost of $56.13 in a genuinely huge manner. Axie boundlessness Axie value expectation 2030 the cost of Axie limitlessness is anticipated to generally reach at any rate worth of $79.54 in 2030. The Axie boundlessness cost could by and large arrive at a greatest worth of $95.32 with a typical exchanging cost of $82.34 all through 2030. Axie boundlessness value figure 2031 Axie limitlessness cost is estimate to arrive at least truly conceivable degree of $119.5 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Axie cost could really arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $138.27 with the typical estimate cost of $123.16. Axie limitlessness Axie value expectation 2032 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2032, the cost of Axie boundlessness fundamentally is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $171.07 in a significant manner. The Axie cost can for The most part arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $205.59 with the sort of typical exchanging cost of $177.22. Axie vastness value expectation 2033 as per our profound specialized examination on in every practical sense. Past value information of Axie. In 2033, the cost of Axie boundlessness is determined to be at around a by and large least worth of $247.92, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The Axie boundlessness value worth can arrive at a really limit of $297.59 with the typical exchanging worth of $255.01 in USD. Amazingly, Axie limitlessness value figure 2040 the reception and true use instances of a cryptographic money basically are similarly fundamental contemplations. Projects with viable applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere in the sort of lengthy by and large run. According to the Axie boundlessness cost figure for 2040, Axie generally is expected to, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly greatest value worth of $49.42 in 2040, which really is genuinely critical. The base truly anticipated cost of Axie coin in 2040 generally is supposed to basically be around $39.27 in a quite large manner, while the extremely normal cost of the Axie vastness for 2040 is projected to especially be $42.77. Axie value figure for 2050 long-haul expectations ought to especially be in a real sense. Drew nearer with alert because of the intrinsic vulnerabilities in the cryptographic money market, which is very critical. Enhancement and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are in every practical sense key procedures for overseeing chances related with long-haul crypto ventures, which by and large is very critical. According to our Axie cost forecast, the year 2050 can end with a greatest cost of $6,465, while the base value worth of an Axie endlessness can be around $5,445 with the coin exchanging at an in every practical sense, normal cost of $5,745 approximately in an essentially large manner. Axie boundlessness value gauge facts. How much will Axie endlessness basically be worth in 5 years? Amazingly, in 5 years, Axie boundlessness will have a genuinely least cost of $46.28 and a greatest cost of $38.65 per Axie. Since Axie limitlessness is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth vacillates definitely. How much does Axie limitlessness cost in 2025, which is genuinely huge? The cost of Axie limitlessness will increment as additional financial backers basically engage in the task. In year 2025, Axie boundlessness will really be worth about a kind of normal cost of $13.61, or so they truly thought. What generally is the Axie boundlessness cost today in a genuinely significant manner? Today, Axie endlessness. Axie is exchanging at $7.59 with the market cap of $188,699,588,000, which especially is very huge.